Hello, this is Corey Watson with another video. I'm gonna show you all the Marvel characters that me and my brother has, right, bro? Hey, bro, right, bro? I'm gonna show him all the Marvel characters. Could you be in the camera, please, so they could see you? Well, never mind. So yeah, we got this Spider-Man pile. We have a lot of Spider-Man. And we have a lot of Iron Man suits. There's some War Machine, but they are part of Iron Man also, right? So yeah. But first, I'm gonna show you other superheroes. Starting with Falcon. My oh yeah. Superhero Squad Falcon. I got this one. Yep, this Falcon is cool and he was fun to play with the superhero squads. He got shot. He was good to battle the Vulture from Superhero Squad. He's awesome. And he got that cool, awesome pose. So yeah, the next character that we have is Wolverine. He definitely looks cool. He got those sharp claws and stuff. He got the X-Men symbol right here. And his pose looks awesome too. He's cool. This Wolverine figure that I showed you. So the next one is Thor from Asgard, Mighty Superhero Squad. He got his hammer. He looks cool. His arm can move. His legs are swivel, and his arm could go up and down, but not all the way. Well, his other arm could go up, but not too far. I don't want his arm to pop off. So yeah, this arm is kind of loose. And also, Wolverine also has posability. He could turn his arms around a lot. He could swivel the legs and move his head a little. Falcon has no posability. And we have Spider-Woman. She looks cool also. I think she has the power to shoot lasers out of her hands because you see the purple on it. Her pose is awesome too. So yeah. And then you have this guy. I don't know his name, but he totally looks cool. He got the hood. He got the moon symbol on his chest. And he got a staff. And also, his arm can move. Both his arms can move. But that's it for his posability. And also, Spider-Woman doesn't have any. So yeah, this one is Captain Marvel. That's right, Captain Marvel. So yeah, this is Captain Marvel. You know what? How else should I just do this? So yeah, this is Captain Marvel. He could move his arms, and he can't move his head. But Captain Marvel looks cool. He got the same powers as Miss Marvel. He could shoot lasers. He's super strong, and he could fly. So yeah. And then we have Mr. Fantastic. He looks cool also. He could move his head a little. He could stretch his arms since he has stretch powers, but I accidentally be chewing on his hand a lot. Sorry about that when I was younger. And he's lost his phone. Yeah, man, you made me lost my phone. What's your problem? Sorry about that. Man, so yeah. He doesn't have a lot of that posability. So yeah. And next we have Ember Frost, another one from the X-Men. Her powers are she can turn herself into a crystal. You can see that right now. And also she's a telepath. And you already know the others' powers. So yeah. The next characters. So yeah, I'm gonna show you Johnny the Human Torch. But the problem is Jonathan accidentally broke his arm. His arm, look.
I didn't break his arm.
Okay, his arm got loose, right? For no reason. Now, Human Torch has died, but he does have a lot of posability, but he died. Now, we can't use him anymore. John, we can't use him anymore, okay?
What? Why can't guys be more like
John.
Are you kidding me? Girls are the one who, well, first off, K-pop stars.
Jonathan.
Secondly, girls are the ones that should be more like guys.
You actually think, well, the WNBA.
Yeah.
But you actually think that relationships would be better if girls were more like guys?
Yeah.
You're completely wrong.
Well then, I guess we both know what needs to be done. A war that has been going on for ages. A war so brutal that even the gods
So, yeah.
themselves have...
Then the next Mr. Fantastic is the Thing, the big guy. I got him from my cousin Elijah. He could move his arm, and also he has a button on the back. So yeah, his arm has a lot of posability.
Guys are shallow.
Oh, right, this again.
All guys care about is boobs, ass, and tits.
Boobs and tits are the same thing,
And how hot a girl looks. You know, there's way more to us than our exterior.
So yeah, he got a lot of posability, and he's another cool figure, the Thing.
There's no way.
Okay, then tell me why girls go crazy over guys with nice bodies.
We don't do that.
Can you really look me in the eye and tell me that the reason why so many girls love Taylor Lautner is because of his acting?
Yeah, the reason why so many girls love Taylor Lautner. Okay, fine. So we like hot bodies, big deal. But looks aren't as big of a deal to girls as they are to guys.
Yeah, but you girls are the reason for that.
How is this our fault?
You pretend like you guys don't care about looks, yet what do you do every single morning? You put on makeup, sometimes throughout the entire day. You get your hair done, or did as some might say.
And then we have
You don't even let us guys crack a window in the car.
two of the Guardians of Galaxy characters. We have Rocket Raccoon, the Hero Masher. So yeah, he has posability also in the arms and right here. And his tail could go out loose. His legs could move. And his head could move also. So yeah, and also he has a he also holds a blaster to Rocket Raccoon.
Alright, here's one. In a relationship, the girl usually cares way more than the guy. Okay, well, let's start small. Remember when I got my haircut earlier this week?
So yeah, Rocket Raccoon looks awesome, actually. He looks very cool. And it was good to get this figure. And the next Guardians of Galaxy character that we have, Groot. And he also comes with accessories.
Your hair looks so weird today anyway. Well, at least I noticed it was different, right?
So yeah, Groot is awesome. He also has posability in the head and the legs. And also, his fingers can move on this hand. And also, it has this thing to push it back. Like this. And it makes a good punch, a super arm that could punch really hard on bad guys from the galaxy. So yeah, that's awesome too. Groot is cool. And also, he has this like stick sword or something. I'm not sure. And also he has this fist in this helmet, you know, this robot thing that they use in Asgard. So yeah, that's what they use. I don't know why they gave them the accessories, but I think it's like armor for Groot. And this could be a helmet so he could breathe in outer space. So yeah, Groot Halls, he looks super tough now. I am Groot. Oh yeah? Can that armor tough enough to beat my blaster, Groot? Oh yeah, Groot. Okay, it is tough. Forget that. Oh yeah, Groot. So now, let's go to the next characters. Groot is awesome too. Especially when he has the big arm. So yeah. We're gonna do one of our Lego Marvels. Well, actually, this is Jonathan's Lego Marvel set. It's this Helicarrier guy, and he has this awesome ship. It looks cool. It has two blasters on the front. Handcuffs. Oops.
Maybe I didn't notice a haircut or two. Maybe I wasn't as caring as I should have been when I accidentally.
So yeah, this is cool. And also it has a little driver in here.
Like one of the guys. Yes. Sometimes I forget that you're a girl too.
Gee, thanks.
Look, I get it. Guys.
So yeah,
Think about the guys.
he looks cool also.
No, not all guys are like that.
I did Helicarrier like
We were 10.
heroes because I think they're heroes also too, like the rest of the Marvel characters also. So yeah, this Helicarrier guy too. He's awesome also. So next we have Hulks. We have two Hulks that are heroes. We have the Green Hulk and the Grey Hulk. So let's start with the Superhero Squad Hulk.
Guys care more. That dress does make you look bad.
I used to have a Green Hulk from the movie, the real life movie, but never mind. So yeah, this Hulk looks awesome. He has these type of pants, and I like his pose, and he's super big. He looks green and awesome. But I also have another Hulk but he's more like a statue to pose and stuff, but whatever. So yeah, this Hulk looks cool also. Very awesome. And next we have his Grey Hulk, Jameson's Hulk. So yeah, we got Grey Hulk. What you say? So you dissing your own Grey Hulk? Wow, that's messed up. What you say? You just dissed me? Nah, cuz I should have stayed at the convention. Your dumb selfish self. Nah, shut your mouth.
I was just playing.
Nah, shut your dumb
See,
self.
I should have never took you since you doing that, man. You should never be here now.
Alright, sorry, man.
I thought so. Because you like staying in that package, though? So I don't want to hear no crap from you.
Alright, sorry, man. Could you say sorry also, man? You hurt my feelings, man.
Now turn around.
Nah, cuz you're not doing any nasty.
What? I was nothing doing anything.
So yeah, Grey Hulk has a lot of posability. And also we have another Hulk. But it's the Red Hulk. But in the show, Hulk's Agent of Smash, she changed into a good guy. But we have the other version of the Red Hulk that is a bad guy. So he's on the bad guy side. So yeah, we have Grey Hulk. He looks awesome. He has posability up here, right here, on the wrist, in the legs also, and the head. Full 360, cuz. Even in the arms. The legs, they turn this way. This part and this part. So yeah, that's how it's gonna go. Grey Hulk is cool. So yeah, I will be saying this will be like part 2. So I already showed you enough Marvel superheroes. I'll show you Spider-Man and Iron Man maybe. So I'll make the channel soon. And please comment and like.